Good morning, everybody. I cannot believe that in my uber excitement for all of the goodies that I showed you guys yesterday, that I made a critical error in forgetting to tell you two things. First, I showed you this lovely Hostess 48-page designer series paper yesterday, and I didn't flip it over. Oh my gosh! So you only saw half. So let's start again. It has polka dots, flowers. Okay. Just going to go through these really fast because you did see them yesterday. And again, this is the Hostess Designer Series paper that you can get for free in May. Oh, and like for a year. So those are all the ones I showed you yesterday, right? Oh, I can't believe I forgot this. Look at these beautiful, beautiful black and whites. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this one. It might make your eyes crazy on the video, but love it. It looks like one of those things that, you know, if you tilt it, it says a word. It doesn't, but that's what it reminds me of. Teeny tiny polka dots. You can almost not see them. And then, like, these are like scattered, and these are like imperfect little lines. So fun. And then that. I never know what to call those. Some kind of diagonals. Leaves. Stripes. More polka dots. Flowers. These will be so pretty colored with blends, right? Look at this. I'm hoping you guys can see that. More like hollow polka dots that you could color in. Could you imagine? Like multiple colors. So I am so sorry I forgot to show you that back page because awesomeness. Then the other thing I forgot to tell you. I know we all love the hand pen petals set, but with new photopolymer, which are the clear stamps, and eventually the previous ones, when they run out and they start printing them again, just photopolymer, they're going to stamp the image on this piece of paper. So that when you take off your stamps, remember it used to be on this hard plastic, but now you can just take it and stick it right there. Because we know the photopolymer sticks, right? So very cool. You'll always know. You won't have to worry. I would still keep at least one of these to cover it. I don't know why. Not everybody does. But anyway, two cool things I forgot to share with you. Ah! I am so hoping you guys can hear me. All right. I don't know why that doesn't always work. All right. See you guys. Have a lovely, wonderful Tuesday. Bye.